Hey folks, here we are, day 2 for the Data AI Summit, and today I will present 2 talks. One of them is with my buddy Yassine. Hi Yassine. Hey guys. Hey, today I'm with Huang, Jonathan, and Gray. I know you. So, I'm all gonna ask you a question about your DICE experience and how many times you've been to this wonderful event. I will start with you, Huang.
So I walked around the expo today and it's already 25,000 steps and we're only at 4 p.m. So it's huge. It's much bigger than any previous summit I've been to. It's my 4th time now. So maybe next year I have to get to 30,000 steps.
Yeah, actually I did 20 kilometers like 2 days ago, and yesterday I was like at 13 kilometers. I have to check today yet.
But it's crazy, right? The scale of the venues, and we're talking venues, right? Multiple venues.
Yeah, exactly. 3 hotels, I think, and Moscone South and West. What about you?
Yeah, same. For the 4th one for me, it's just like last year the place for Expo and Keynote is now just Expo. We're just expanding, doubling the size, doubling our business. It's getting bigger and bigger.
Indeed. And what about you, Ray?
So I self-serve, right?
Yeah.
That's Databricks, we're going self-serve, right? So this is my 3rd Data AI Summit. And since you guys are counting the steps, I did just half of yours, like 7,000. But that means I sit in a lot of meetings, not moving around as much as I
Maybe you're
do.
lazy.
Yeah, maybe that. But what I feel, I love the energy of Data and AI Summit, right? It just makes me energized, right? It's infectious. And I was just telling to Vong, right? We had this chat, like what brings me back every year is like if no matter how tough building is, because it is tough building Databricks, right? The product sells on its own, but we have to navigate so many different things at the custom side, internal and all, right? But every time I'm here, I just feel like, damn, we are building something very meaningful and impactful. We haven't even hit the keynotes, right? So looking forward for that.
Tomorrow will be crazy, and after tomorrow too. And I think that's also the main reason why I try to come to DICE every year, because of the energy, or even maybe more. See you!